As women, our emotions play a significant role on our financial decisions and our financial choices. We often lead with our hearts, which can be a beautiful thing, but it can also make us more vulnerable to emotional spending or financial choices that aren't always in our best interest. When we feel happy or excited, it's easy to splurge on that new outfit, easy to treat ourselves to that new spa day, or we just justify it as a well deserving reward, spending on that new jewelry. But on the flip side, whenever we are sad, in moments of sadness or stress, we also use shopping as well as a form of therapy, buying the things we really don't need to distract us from what is really going on with ourselves. So we tend to use temporal pleasure to mask our long-term pain. Now, when it comes to relationships, it can add another layer to these financial decisions and choices we make. We may find ourselves making financial sacrifices to support a partner or a loved one, putting their needs ahead of us. Sometimes we might even stay in unhealthy relationships because of the financial insecurity, the fear of starting over on our own, or even because of how much we've invested into our relationship that it now makes it seemingly difficult for us to walk away. Now, the key is to be aware of these emotional triggers and separate our feelings from our money. It is very important for you to understand that your money and your emotions are correlated, like they are tied together, they are linked together. You need to be emotionally secure and stable and happy to be able to nurture and grow your money and to be able to make more money. You need to be able to make choices that empower you rather than choices that limit you. After all, financial independence is really just not about the numbers. It's about feeling secure and confident in our money choices that we make for ourselves every day. Now, here are some examples of how our emotions and our finances are linked and things that we do that I have done in the past that has made me lose a couple of money. Retail therapy. I have a 12-day at work, you have a 12-day at work, and you think that instead of walking through why you've had this 12-day at work or what the problem is, you think that buying that new gown is going to make you feel happy. You get into a good relationship and you have this butterfly in your stomach and you feel like, okay, you need to look good to impress this new guy. And then you go and splurge on a new clothes or a new hair, a new bag, and a new shoe. And oftentimes we become sadder or worse off when that doesn't work the way we plan. Now, when it comes to our family members as well, we indulge in black tax, even at our own expense, buying expensive gifts, giving money to partners, giving money to siblings and parents at our own detriment. Now, it is very important for you to notice these patterns because it becomes easier for you to be able to break free and manage your money effectively. Key is for us to be aware of these emotional triggers as women and try to separate our feelings from our money decisions. It is literally about finding a balance, that balance where we can be both compassionate, smart with our money, and still show love and empathy towards our loved ones and towards ourselves as well. After all, financial independence isn't just about the numbers. It's about feeling secure and confident in the choices we make for ourselves. See you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.